For centuries, a tropical disease plagued remote communities in Africa, Latin America, and Yemen, and there was no answer to this affliction. Then, in 1987, Merck did something extraordinary. Having developed an effective preventative treatment, Merck committed to donating that drug as much as needed for as long as needed, with the goal of eliminating river blindness. Merck's first donation to International Medical Corps was a gift in kind, valued at $2.7 million, used to treat hundreds of thousands of people in South Sudan. Merck has continued to be a steadfast supporter of International Medical Corps, providing invaluable contributions to help address some of our global community's most heartbreaking humanitarian challenges. Merck's generosity stems from their commitment to improve the health and well-being of people around the world. They prioritize underserved communities, strengthening health systems, and supporting those affected by natural disasters and humanitarian crises. Their support has enabled responses to Ebola, conflicts, earthquakes, and hurricanes. Their ongoing pledge to our emergency response efforts allows us to mobilize without hesitation. When Libya was struck with massive flooding, it was Merck's drawdown pledge that funded the immediate deployment of 3 emergency medical teams. In total, they have given more than $4.5 million in funds and gifts in kind in support of our programs worldwide. We're profoundly grateful to have a supporter like Merck, whose unwavering commitment resonates so deeply with our mission and vision for a better world.
So we're very proud of everything we've accomplished together. So for Merck's extraordinary commitment to advancing global health and building a more resilient future, we are delighted to present Merck with our Global Citizen Award this evening. Please join me in welcoming Allison Goldberg, President of the Merck Foundation. Thank you.
Good evening. It's an honor to accept this award on behalf of Merck and all of the amazing people that I have the privilege of calling my colleagues. It is also a privilege to be with all of you tonight to celebrate and recognize the incredible impact that International Medical Corps continues to have on our world. IMC has been a trusted and valued partner of Merck's for more than 2 decades, and this enduring partnership comes as no surprise when you consider the synergies between our 2 organizations. Most importantly, we share a commitment to saving and improving lives and helping people when they need it the most during times of conflict, disease, and disaster. Since our initial partnership to respond to river blindness in South Sudan in 2001, Merck has proudly supported IMC in fulfilling its mission to improve quality of life through health interventions worldwide. Over the years, we've collaborated in countless ways. We've enabled continuity of care, strengthened health systems, and ultimately expanded access to health in nearly 20 countries. Recently, we have also worked to establish a drawdown fund, which is a source of funding that IMC can use to immediately respond to adverse events in real time. That is to say, as emergencies are rising and when the need is greatest. Impressively, to date, International Medical Corps has used this funding to respond to 11 crises across 12 different countries, and they've reached more than 132,000 direct beneficiaries and counting. And this support has been critical. It's been critical to responding to cholera outbreaks in Cameroon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Yemen. It's been critical to delivering emergency health services in conflict-affected South Sudan. It's also been critical to increasing disaster resilience among hospital staff in Somalia and providing health services in response to flooding in Libya and Nigeria. This funding has also been critical to distributing medicine and supplies in the aftermath of the earthquake in Syria last year, supporting local health facilities following Hurricane Beryl in the US and Jamaica this year, and distributing critical medical and hygiene supplies in response to Typhoon Gami in the Philippines. In the face of growing and complex challenges, it's reassuring to know we have dynamic NGOs like IMC. They're equipping healthcare providers with the tools they need to care for people in vulnerable settings. So to the IMC team, your dedication to advancing public health serves as an inspiration to us all. And again, on behalf of Merck and all of my colleagues, we deeply appreciate this tremendous award and look forward to continuing our partnership to make a positive impact in people's lives. Thank you very much.